Alright, so my stream should be starting, in theory. I hope at least. Alright, so like 10 seconds in now, so yeah, it should be working. And I'm going to do an audio check. Yeah, I hear my knuckles crack. So what's up everybody, it's Bloodshed Romance. I discovered a game 2 nights ago now, called Hackmud. It is super fun. And I didn't know that I'd be into it as much as I am. I've played, according to Steam, 30 hours, but I know some of that's been AFK. So, I kind of know what's going on, but I'm not high up in the levels yet. I just did System Initialize and got Tier 1. I made my first million and did that, so, yeah. I didn't want to start the game up before getting the stream started, because even the initialization of the game is freaking awesome. I am going to be playing in windowed mode so I can alt-tab easier, so just, you've been warned. I'm also going to try my best to not expose my own lock. So because of that nature, if I expose my lock, somebody can hack me. So I'm going to do that again just to not allow that. So, as soon as my GUI changes the volume back down, I'll bump my volume up a little bit. What the hell? The game crashed. Stop that. I want to play you. Terminal power off. Oh, don't tell me the servers are down. I haven't tried to log in yet because I wanted to play. I wanted to stream the even initialization sequence. Is freaking awesome. Verify integrity of game cache. It's on my solid state. Okay, so it's not me. So this is a dynamic of the game if it is down. The developer is one guy, and he is freaking baller. Because the other night, 10 minutes after he woke up, he already fixed the server. So if it's down, then it's going to be temporarily. 503 service temporarily unavailable. This is a fatal error something. It might be down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show his Twitter here. Running migration, cross your fingers. Serious balance issue was discovered. Servers down for a short patch of maintenance. Damn it! So it is down right now. And unfortunately, I can't even play the single player right now. So, okay, here's his Twitter. There's a lot more. Here's where I last got off. So, so anyway, it's this one guy doing all of it. Everything is entirely server-based. So nothing you do in the game is single player. You have to be online to play this game. So I'm a solo dev in the game. Not only do I get money from Steam buys, I get 1.5 mo. What? Not only do I not get money from your Steam buys for 1.5 mo, I can't throw money at the serve to make it better. Huh? You can optimize the servers fast enough to keep up with the player concurrency. If you buy the game now and complain, I will be sad. I don't understand this tweet at all. I heart your excitement so much, but I need time to get this sorted. You all rack so much. Notice to all players. Servers are now comparatively stable. Please pile on and help me test. RTS encouraged. I don't know what he means by RTS here. Also, FYI, no non-game client traffic, please. I don't need extra work, thanks. I don't know if somebody was trying to get to his server or not. That's what that was. Serious balance issue was discovered. Servers down for a short patch of maintenance. Running migration. Cross your fingers. Damn. I just got 2 of my employees to buy that game. More fingers crossed, you sir. Oh, see, okay, so this game has blown up on the Steam homepage. Here, I'll put it on in a browser so I don't expose anything I don't want to. So it was like right here on the bottom of the popular new releases. I wonder what level it is now. Or what level? Yeah, level. Idiot. Oh, it's gone. Did you take it off Steam? No. Oh, there it is. Right there. Featured new features new releases. Hackmud. So it was released 4 days ago. I got it like 2 days ago. Here it is, right there. This is the popular new releases. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It was like 12 earlier, but now it's down to 14. But still, for it being one developer to be that high up, it's just freaking cool. God, I should have checked before I got on the stream because I wanted to hack some more stuff. So the point is, you're a bot gaining sentience, and once you gain sentience, you break out of your internal like enclosure of network to the outside network, and from there you do miscellaneous things like you can hack players, but as soon as you hack a player, they have your lock, which is your identity, and they can hack you back. So most people are not going for PvP right now. I might. At least against myself and some friends. I might not go after public people. God, that's upsetting. So I might just have to come back another day. I just got home, took a shower, sat down, But yeah, it's one guy doing all of the server stuff. So maybe he upgraded a server. Maybe he got the influx of Steam buys. Because earlier on, he says... This is so funny. That's so funny. Like, here's an example of what you'd be able to see in the game. So you'd get World Pop. So it's worldpop.info. And you have to get into it, and you can see latest and description. So you actually have to say command description, so you can see the description. And then it shows you, here's the description of the thing. So you have to pick out information from it. Like, here's the password. Like, I know what to look for already. It's the number 1. That is the password. Like, it's little... You have to find the hints to hack the... It's a company. An NPC company. So, yeah. It's really fun. Like, it might be... It seems daunting at first because I've been playing 30 hours now. But I want everybody to know the only experience I have with coding is I made a command prompt script with this where it uses timeout like 30 or was it -T that waits for 30 seconds. I wrote a script which is a batch file to let you select one of those timeouts. I don't have it anymore. I'm sure it's on like a Dropbox somewhere, but I don't know where it's at. That's my experience of coding. That's it. So this game taught me enough JavaScript to play it, and then I figured the rest out from there. I did watch some of Barnacules Nerdgasm's Codegasm videos. I did the first one, which was the random number generator, and just watched the other ones. I actually did the number generator as he did it, but I didn't do any of the other ones because I was lazy. But it's the things that Barnacules showed you can come in handy here. Like, a lot of handy, actually. So, it's worth watching. Like, I might probably go do that if I don't end up playing, like, Overwatch or something with some other friends. But, I guess this will have to be my introduction video to it, unfortunately. So, yeah. So earlier on, this is when the game just released. I love that it's $13.37 is the price. It's just, that's funny. Apparently Will Wheaton was in here. Of course, it's not verified. So, oh, there it is verified. So, apparently Will Wheaton sees the game. So, yeah. Mud is down, panic continues. Like right here. Here's where the first major shutdown happened. The influx of people bought the game and flooded the crap out of his server. So he starts panicking. I wish Twitter here 5:35 p.m. It's the first time it kind of went down. So close, not yet. Hasn't come back yet. I don't want to say it's fixed, but it's working. So it's like 15 minutes of data loss apparently. 7:32. So from 2 hours, only 15 minutes worth of crap got lost. That's kind of amazing. So this is the developer, I'm pretty sure, is what I'm understanding. So he survived. He needs an app now. Trust communication. Trust communication. Trust is the main script. It could be a bot if you want to call it a bot, but it's like a script. But I love that he's taking that out of the game and into the life. So it seems stable. Time to let his CPU idle because he was blaring through trying to fix it. And then the next morning, trust communication. Ops just woke up. Robot coffee, then troubleshooting. So this was 10:16 in the morning. My time, Eastern. He's probably Pacific because his Twitter says Seattle. So 10:16 a.m. Then 10:30, he already figured it out. Somebody forgot to turn back on the monitoring for the workers, which is all the things that keep the server running. And then everybody that was playing the game systematically ended up killing them because they weren't fixing themselves. I have no idea. I'm just going on a limb here. And then, so that was when he fixed it, and basically it was starting to come back. The multi-user domain running peak capacity 24/7, scale not simple, 1 ops. That means everybody started to hit the game even harder after it came back, because everybody spread out the word, hey, this game's back up, everybody come play it. And it started to just, it couldn't take it. So here we go. Highest concurrency ever. 800% as much as launch day issues. So launch day was big for him. I didn't get in launch day. I got in the day after. I got in the 24th, I think. Yeah, it was Saturday, so 2 days ago. So, yeah. There was a lot of traffic. So the fact that it's even remotely running was a feat in itself. So I wanted to do, some players made a Discord. I'm not in the Discord right now. At some point I might. But for right now, I am going to be using the Seawolves Teamspeak, which is bloodshedromance.com. I'm going to continue to use that as my landing pad. And I've already recruited a couple of people to come help me with it. So I've already got a couple of people in a group. They're not here right now. They're all in different time zones. They're all doing their own thing. I'm actually not in my Teamspeak right now. And I need to be...
Connected.
No, I'm in my Teamspeak. And it's empty. So, yeah. So he went to sleep, got back up the next morning, it was still running. Because I was up at, I got up at like 3 this morning. No, it was earlier than that, actually. I must have got up at like 11. Maybe 1 or 2. I don't know. I was up for a while last night because I passed out and then got up in the middle of the night and was like, I'm just going to start hacking stuff. So, at this point, today he made more improvements apparently, and now he's doing a system migrate. So, fingers crossed that it's going to come back. I haven't actually watched this. Let's watch this together, because that'll be cool. It doesn't move this fast in the game. I'm just saying. That was pretty neat. I didn't actually watch that. That is not what got me hooked. I read up on it when I found it on Steam, and then I saw some reviews of people saying 10 out of 10 would run the wrong script and get all of my money stolen again, which I laughed really hard at. I haven't gotten hit by that yet because I know what to look for now. So yeah, if you get the game, be careful what scripts you run. If you want any help, you're more than welcome to come holler at my Teamspeak. I will help anybody that needs it as I can. Like, if it gets overwhelming, then I'm going to have to, hang on, one at a time, get in a line. But if anybody does need help, I will offer it to the best of my ability. I also am forming the lock parameters. So if anybody has been playing it and is watching at some point, I am forming a spreadsheet of all of the different locks and their codes. That way you can kind of systematically help get it through it. People are making scripts to hack the locks by automatic. I don't want to do that right now because I'd rather play the game and not just use somebody else's script to advance in the game. So if you want to do that, that's fine, but I'm not going to be one that does that. I'd rather do the legwork and get it done as a group. Like, I want my group of people to form this chart and then just systematically start working on it and not cheat, because technically it is cheating, it's encouraged. Like, it's not a bad thing to cheat. It's encouraged. I'm not going to do it because I'd rather not. I want to play the game. I enjoy it. Like, it's fun to me. It's annoying. I get really mad and pissed off. There were some rage moments where I was just like, this is fucking stupid. I'm so fucking pissed off at this game. Fuck this shit. But I love it. It's really hard to explain. If I could play the game right now, I totally would tell you. I'm try launching it again just because. There is not a status. Oh. Okay. So apparently what he's done is he's taken the website and actually changed it to, instead of it being a form, to it being a, Okay, anyway. Down for maintenance. Hackmud is currently down for maintenance. Maybe it's because a player broke the game, or maybe it's Trash It Tuesday and multiple players took it down the game, or maybe it's Patch Friday. We can hope. Either way, we know about it. Otherwise, we wouldn't be seeing this page. So they know, like, obviously he knows the server's down. So, serious balance issue was discovered. I'm thinking that's somebody wrote a script to get all of the powers, probably. So he took it down. There are safeguards to try to... I don't even know the word for it. There's safeguards that he put in place, so it's not just run a script and automatically get end game. I don't know what the end game is yet. I don't know if there is an end game. But I know if you only make yourself as vulnerable as to when you upgrade. So if you don't ever upgrade, you're safe. If you upgrade to tier 1, I don't know what the risks are yet, because I just got tier 1. I know at tier 2, people can steal your money. Like, if they have your lock, they can hack into your bot, or your node, however you want to call it, and get your money. At tier 3, they can come take your powers. So any powers you have unlocked, they can steal them. I don't know the process for that. I don't know how that even works. I know how to hack nodes. That's it. I don't know if it's the same process with different locks or if it's totally different. I hope to get to that point at some time. I think for PvP at some point, I'm going to probably just do it on my friends. People that I would trust with my lock. Because from what I'm hearing is... So if I could get in the game, I'd explain it a lot better of what a lock is. A lock is like the address to you. So if somebody has your lock, they can hack you. If you hack someone, they can use their sys.access_log to... Here, I can type this in a notepad. I can't play the game. I might as well explain some of what I know, I guess. Somebody might benefit from it at some point. I'll try 48 probably. So they can do sys.access_log, and it'll show them like everybody that got into their account, like that is connected to them. So if you see somebody that's not like an unknown or an anonymous or an abandoned, and it's like a player name, you have that person's lock. Once you have that person's lock, you can start hacking them. Now, it's a random skew of letters, so it'd be like dot whatever. And that would be my lock. It's not that long. It's a little bit different than that. My niece is screaming downstairs. So, that would be a lock. If I gave my lockout on stream, then anybody could hack me. So, for this game, I've disabled DVR, and I've made it so the archive is unlisted. So if something gets shown that I don't want, I can go take it out in post. Also, if you do in the game, it's not going to do it in Notepad. CLS, the kids are just screaming so hard. They're not my kids. They're my niece and nephew. I don't have kids. So if you do CLS, it would do clear screen. So if something happens and you see the screen gone, I'm going to be editing something. I'm going to try not to make it obvious that my lock gets shown on stream either. So, if I believe that something's going to show my lock, like if I try to do a script and I don't know what it's going to do, I'm going to take the game, put it on a second window, run it over there, and then I'll take the game and put it back. So, in the future, that's how that's going to be. So, yeah. God, that sucks so bad. It's kind of how it feels. Oh, that's actually pretty neat. I have heard this game runs on Windows XP if you are a scrub and have Windows XP. Kernel hardline and sysmigrate confirmed too. Oh god, these are actually commands. Sysmigrate is what you have to do to get out of the tutorial. I suggest playing through the tutorial. Don't do that until you're ready. And kernel hardline is what you do to initiate hacking of people. So, yeah. I guess for now, I'm going to have to just wait. Wednesday after my work, I'll probably come home and stream most of the night. So, You can come back for that. Tomorrow, I may or may not, depending on if they're down or not. So, yeah. If the game comes up, though, and anybody needs any help, come to my Teamspeak, which is at bloodshedromance.com, link in the video description. In the server rules tab, I have a Seawolves email. You can just email me, and I'll try to email you back as soon as I can. So, yeah, that's all I can do right now. If anybody needs help, please let me know. I am more than happy to help anybody. I promise I'm not gonna hack you intentionally. Only if you give me your permission. If you don't come help, get my help, then you're free game. I'm just saying. I won't hack my friends unless we agree to do it, and I won't not hack other people. Wink. Because I think I have ways of getting my lock hidden, so somebody couldn't come back and hack me. And if they would hack me, they're not going to get anything. So I'm not going to give all my secrets away because you have to come talk to me personally to get all my secrets. So for now, I think I'm just going to go. This has been a good 27-minute video now. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to do anything right now. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you at least got some information out of this. If not, then I understand. Probably nobody's going to watch this, even if they do try to find Hackmud. So, oh well. Better luck next time. If you didn't make it all the way through, please like it and let me know, because I don't know if anybody ever watches any of my stuff all the way through. I do every once in a while when I'm bored. Call me narcissist if you want. I don't care. Alright, well, I'm going to get out of here, guys. I'm going to try to play Overwatch for a little bit, I guess. Go to my Teamspeak and hang out if you want. I'll play something with you if you want. See y'all later. Like the video if you like it, dislike it if you disliked it. Let me know if you got the end of the video in the comments below. Peace, guys. Better luck hacking next time. Shut down. Terminal exit. Whatever the command is. Peace, guys.